Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give this glass morphism. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe. So this is Photoshop. What you have to do is add a rectangle first of all, then make it rounded cornered. Perfect. Now change this fill to white, and next we are just going to align it into the center and the middle. The next step we have to do is add a text box and type your text. So I'm just gonna go with Glass Morphism. Select it, go to basic, and we're just gonna click on basic, and from here, now right click on the rectangle layer, go to blending and give it opacity of 100, align opacity of 4, go to stroke and then give it a size of 2. Now change the color to white. Perfect. Now do the following steps. Just follow along, and now you can see a bit of that glass reflection in there, as you can see behind. Now let's select this layer right here and then go again and move it upwards. Right here. Now click on create clipping mask. And then we're gonna go filter, blur, and Gaussian Blur, and then radius is gonna be 21. And we're gonna do the same again. So here we are. If you you can just give it an outline as well to give it a more realistic effect for the glass morphism. So that's it for today, and we're just gonna put it on behind in front of the picture. So that's the end for today. Make sure to subscribe if you like this tutorial video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and tutorials like these.